Coaching and Consulting and my friend Layla. We're going to talk to you today about mental toughness. This is going to be the first in a series. Mental toughness is really important in business. First, I want you to understand that everyone faces adversity and challenges. Everyone. Don't think it's just you. And it's how you handle those adversities and challenges that defines you. You have to choose your mindset very carefully in business. Optimism, growth, and understanding that planet Earth is a place of abundance are three things that I try to keep in my mindset every day. What are you going to try to keep in yours? We'll see you next time.